Hi there everybody. You seem to have liked this quiz I did the other day about groups of animals. So here's another one, yeah? Collective nouns for groups of animals. So, of lions, easy. Of mallard. A mallard is a duck. Quack, quack. This duck that you see on the river, on a pond or on a lake, and the males have got these blue heads and these green heads and these feathers of different colours, and the females are just brown and white. Okay, this is a mallard. And of mice, well, one mouse, two mice. So you've got to choose from suit, orchestra, nest, or pride. So which one of these is it? Of lions, of mallard, of mice. Suit, orchestra, nest, or pride? Pride. Okay, so if you want more time to think, pause now. Here come the answers. Okay, a pride of lions. I think you could probably also say a troop of lions, but a pride of lions. A suit of mallard. That's a nice formal suit you're wearing. And a nest of mice. Yeah, that was pretty clear. Let's try the next one then. Okay, so moles. A mole is this blind animal that burrows under the earth and leaves a molehill. Of monkeys. And of mules. A mule is like a donkey. Okay, so a clown, a barren, a labour, notice the British spelling, or a troop. So, of moles, of monkeys, of mules. A clown, a barren, a troop, a labour, a troop. You choose. So, if you want more time to think, pause now. Here come the answers. Okay, so a labour of moles, so I guess they work hard. A troop of monkeys, and a barren. Barren means sterile. Of mules, nothing grows there. So mules are barren. So yeah, they don't have children. They're sterile. Okay, and the next one. Of owls, woo woo, twit woo. Of oxen. This is like a big strong cow that pulls a plough or a cart. One ox, two oxen. And of swallows. This is this bird that flies really fast. One swallow doesn't make a summer. And then we've got yoke. Okay, a yoke is the thing that you wear over your shoulders to pull things. A sneak, a flight, or a parliament. To sneak is to walk very quietly so that nobody notices you're there. So, of owls, of oxen, of swallows. And we've got yoke, sneak, flight, or parliament. So, time for you to choose. If you want more time, pause now. Parliament of owls. Okay, maybe they're talking politics to each other. A yoke of oxen, that's pretty logical, because you have a pair of oxen and you yoke them together. You join them together. And a flight of swallows. And let's try this one. Whoops, went a bit far. Okay, of seals. A seal. This is this animal that is on the rocks and lives in the sea, quite fat. Of dolphins, or of snakes. And then we've got a school, a rookery, a pebble, or a nest. A pebble is a small stone. Yeah? So, of seals, of dolphins, of snakes. Is it a school, a rookery, a pebble, or a nest? So, time for you to choose, because here come the answers. Pause if you need more time. Okay, so a rookery of seals. Okay, rookery. A rookery is normally a place where rooks, which is a big black bird, live. a school of dolphins, and a nest of snakes. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, collective names for animals.